Hello, parents, frustrated with activities that just don't capture your child's interest? Let's change that. Join me behind the scenes as I create some engaging brain gym activities. I'll walk you through all these activities and reveal the secrets behind these fun exercises. Stick around to learn how each activity is designed to boost the cognitive skills and enhance brain function. Let's make learning fun and effective together. Cup and ball coding challenge. Here you need some paper cups, small balls, and some coding cards, that is the arrows indicating direction left, right, forward, and backward. This activity helps kids develop problem solving skills. They need to think ahead and plan the steps to get the ball to the right cup. It encourages them to figure out the best path and learn from any mistakes along the way. By navigating the ball, kids improve their spatial awareness. They learn how to understand different directions and distances, which is important for everyday tasks and activities. Handling the small balls and placing the coding cards helps improve kids' fine motor skills. It strengthens their hand-eye coordination, which is essential for writing, drawing, and many other activities. Using coding cards to direct the ball fosters logical thinking. Kids learn to follow a sequence of steps and understand cause and effect, which are foundational concepts in programming and critical thinking. If done in groups, this activity also promotes teamwork. Kids learn to communicate, collaborate, and solve problems together, which helps them build social skills and work effectively with others. This activity sparks creativity as kids can come up with the different routes and solutions to navigate the ball. They can experiment with various strategies and even invent their own rules, encouraging imagination thinking. Following the sequence of coding cards helps kids practice following instructions. This is a key skill for school and everyday life, helping them understand the importance of order and structure. Memory game using popsicle stick. This game boosts kids' memory skill. They need to remember the location and design on each popsicle stick to find matching pairs, which helps enhance their ability to recall and retain information. Playing this game requires kids to concentrate and focus. They must pay attention to the positions of the sticks and keep track of their matches, which help improve their attention span. The game enhances cognitive skills such as visual discrimination and pattern recognition. Identifying and matching different symbols, numbers, letters, or colors sharpens their cognitive ability. Kids develop problem-solving skills by figuring out the best strategies to remember and match pairs. This critical thinking process encourages logical reasoning and strategic planning. Handling the popsicle sticks improves their fine motor skills. Picking up and placing the sticks requires precision and coordination, which are essential for writing and other detailed tasks. Successfully finding matches boosts kids' self-esteem and confidence. Each correct match provides a sense of accomplishment, encouraging them to keep trying and improving. The game teaches emotional regulation as kids learn to handle both winning and losing gracefully. They develop patience, and it is such an important trait for managing emotions. Most importantly, this game is fun and engaging. It provides an enjoyable way for kids to learn and practice important skills, keeping them entertained and motivated. Recognizing and matching patterns is a fundamental skill in mathematics and science. This game encourages kids to identify and remember patterns, which helps in understanding sequences and logical relationships. The game promotes critical thinking and analysis. Kids learn to compare and contrast different symbols or images, enhancing their analytical skill, which are essential for subjects like science and social studies. Paying close attention to the details on each popsicle stick helps kids develop meticulous observation skills. This attention to detail is important in all academic areas for reading comprehension to solving math problems. Kids learn and practice memory techniques such as visualization and association, which can be applied to other academic tasks. Arranging pom-poms in a grid pattern. My kids had a blast doing this, and let me tell you some of the benefits of this fun activity. It helps improve their fine motor skill because they have to use their fingers to pick up and place their tiny pom-poms. They get better at hand-eye coordination by matching what they see with their hand movements. This activity also helps them understand where things are in relation to each other, which is important for many school subjects. By copying the grid pattern, kids learn to recognize and create patterns, a key skill in math and reading. It helps them concentrate and stay focused on completing the patterns correctly. They learn to solve problems as they figure out how to place the pom-poms to match the pattern. It also helps with learning and recognizing different colors. They practice basic math skills like counting and understanding rows and columns. It boosts their memory as they remember the pattern they need to create. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment below if you are enjoying and if you're going to try this at your kids. Happy learning! Stay tuned as we move into the next activities. Using bottle caps to create the pattern. Using bottle caps for this activity teaches kids about recycling and the importance of reusing materials creatively, fostering environment awareness. Handling different textured bottle caps can provide a sensory experience, helping kids develop their sense of touch. This activity enhances visual discrimination as kids differentiate between various colors, sizes, and shapes of the bottle caps to replicate the pattern. Organizing bottle caps according to a pattern helps kids learn how to categorize and arrange items systematically, improving their organizational skills. Placing bottle caps accurately in a grid requires patience and precision, which are important for developing careful and methodological working habits. Replicating a given pattern helps kids practice following direction carefully, an essential skill for academic tasks and everyday activities. Here's a direction coding activity where kids imagine how a truck moves up and down or an aeroplane moves up and down. Kids develop spatial awareness by understanding how the truck moves in different directions. They learn to visualize the truck's position in space, which is important for math and science. This activity helps kids learn directional skills such as understanding up, down, left, and right. These are foundational concepts for navigating both physical spaces and reading maps. Kids enhance their logical thinking skills by figuring out the sequence of moves needed to navigate the truck. This helps them understand cause and effect and improve problem-solving abilities. Planning the truck's route requires kids to think in sequences. They learn to break down tasks into smaller steps, which is essential for following instructions and completing complex tasks. Imagining how the truck moves fosters creativity. Kids can create different scenarios and routes, allowing their imagination to play a key role in learning. Manipulating the aeroplane or coding cards improves fine motor skills. Kids practice precise hand movements, which are important for writing and other detailed activities. Concentrating on coding the aeroplane's directions helps kids develop better attention and focus. They need to stay engaged to ensure the aeroplane follows the correct path. Kids engage in problem solving as they navigate obstacles and figure out the best route for the aeroplane. This encourages critical thinking. This activity introduces basic math concepts like counting steps and understanding grids. It lays the groundwork for more advanced math skills. Most importantly, this activity is fun and engaging. It keeps kids entertained while they learn valuable skills, making education an enjoyable experience. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is, I want you to read the color of this. Okay, read the color of this. If it is, which color is this?
Yellow.
No, but in which color it is?
Blue.
Yeah, so you'll have to read blue, green, yellow, pink, black, red, like that. Okay? Start.
Blue, green, yellow, pink, black, red. Black, purple, green, red, blue, red. Pink.
Correct. This is a wonderful memory game. This improves concentration and attention span. When playing memory games, children must pay close attention to the position of each card or object, and this improves attention with overall development with their concentration. As they stay engaged in the game, their ability to focus for extended periods in other tasks, such as schoolwork or reading, is also enhanced. Memory game often involves remembering the location of various items or cards over a short period. This constant practice strengthens their short-term memory capabilities. Repeatedly recalling the position of items helps the brain to improve its ability to store and retrieve information quickly. Children use their visual memory to remember the images or cards that is shown. This exercises the brain's ability to recognize and recall visual patterns. Improved visual memory is beneficial for tasks that require quick recognition and processing of visual information, such as reading and navigating new environments. Memory game often includes any object or cards, which requires players to pay close attention to small details and differentiate between them. Memory game that involves words or pictures can introduce children to new vocabulary. They also learn to match pairs and they learn new words and their meanings. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of our future activities. Also, I would love to hear from you. Comment below and let us know your child's age and how they enjoyed this activity. Don't forget to check out my Instagram page for exciting giveaways of these activities and more fun ideas. Thank you for watching.